Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number 22, day 22. Oh my goodness, it's coming to an end. I'm so sad. I've been having so much fun. Sandy has been such a pleasant and great secret Santa to have. She has blessed me with lots and lots of crafting things that I can use, and I'm so grateful for her and for all that she's put into this swap, her time and energy. I appreciate it so much. So thank you, Sandy. I hope that you are having a happy holiday with your family, with whatever you do, and staying safe and being healthy throughout the new year. But day 22, look at this. So it is a box of sequins, and she has this belly band on it, and it comes right off. But how cute is the belly band? She has some sweater die cuts with this rosette in the middle. Oh, I love it. And then the sequins, wow. Look at them all. So 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 sequins. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to start getting mixing. I have some new sequins that I hauled, and some of these colors would go perfect with those. So stay tuned for maybe some sequin mixing. But this is day 22. Thank you so much, Sandy. I appreciate it. For those of you who are new, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. If you're returning, thank you and welcome back. I have a link for the other ladies who are in this collaboration, or not collaboration, but this swap, who's participating in this swap that's hosted by Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. It's in my description box below, so you can go check the other ladies out and see all the other fabulous items that they were gifted, as well as what I gifted my Secret Santa. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!